Hi, I'm Anjali. I come from India and I'm standing in the plaza of the old synagogue here. Behind me you can see the humanities faculty, and all these buildings belong to the history, law and languages department. If you look this way, you can see this large building with a glass facade. That's the university library. It's the largest library of the University of Freiburg and also one of the largest academic libraries in all of Germany. When you walk down this side street, you would have reached the International Study Center, which is responsible for international admission and services. This is your one-stop shop for everything university related, whether you want to go for enrollment at the beginning of your studies or exmatriculation after you finish your studies, or if you want to change the course of your study in between. This is where you need to go. The Erasmus Office is also situated in the same building. The University of Freiburg and Studienwerk Freiburg, that is SWFR, also offer a lot of services for students, including psychological support, financial aid and legal advice. So if you do not know which office to go to, just walk along this way for around 200 meters, you would have reached a fountain, and when you cross the street, you would have reached the rectorate of the university. They handle all international affairs, and they also organize a welcome day for all international students every semester. When you walk down this way and take a left, you would have reached the largest canteen of the University of Freiburg. This is just one of the 5 canteens that we have to offer. You can get a meal for under €3 here, and please do not forget to bring your student card or the Mensa card when you go there. Thank you.